Okay, that seems to have worked. Sorry, guys, that was weird. All right, so this is 2023 Leaf Exotic Baseball. It's a fifth of a case, 20% of the case, 20 box case. So 4 boxes here. This product is loaded. So we'll see how this goes. But normally I do these leaf breaks 1 box at a time. Try to do this bigger. So we'll see what I decide to do moving forward. But I may go back to 1 box or 2 boxes or something like that. All right, good luck, everyone. 3 hits per. We do have several spots that we ended up keeping. All right, here we go. Oh, shoot, I got to open up the spreadsheet. 1 second. Do, do, do. 1 sec. Sorry, I had to reboot. I was having all kinds of technical difficulties. Like the live would go live, but I couldn't end it on my end, so it was like stuck in this weird. Okay, here we go. All right, getting us started. Okay, this one's ours. Again, we have 4 of the 10 spots. This one's ours. Kumar Rocker. That looks like an elephant shimmer, maybe? That is 3 of 8 on Kumar Rocker. Also us, sorry guys. Zebra, Noah Schultz. Noah Schultz, Zebra. That's 4 of 8. Oh, and we've got a duel. Oh, and it's sick. Let me see who. I know who has one of them. Brian, it's between you and me. It's nice. Drew Jones and Spencer Jones. So, Brian, we'll talk about it. That's a 1 of 1. That's a pretty big hit. So, I'm not going to random this. Brian, we'll talk about it. We have the Spencer Jones spot. Brian has the Drew Jones spot. That thing is sick. Yeah, he is on a few duels. Yeah, I guess I didn't realize that the duels were all 1 of 1s until you actually said that to me, Brian. And then there's also these like mythical ones, actually, which I don't know, maybe we have. That's a redemption right there, because I think all the mythicals are redemptions. Yeah, they added these like fake animals, which is pretty cool. There's one that's called Banshee, which is pretty cool. All right, this one's Kevin. Kevin, we've got Reginald Preciado. Reginald Preciado. That is 2 of 2 on the. Oh man, I don't know what that is. It's cool though. Oh, 12 varieties of 101. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, it's like each of the skins probably. This mythical, I actually think this is ours, y'all. I think I remember seeing him in our list. Yeah. Yeah, here's a mythical here. Khalil Watson. 2023 Leaf Exotic Baseball Mythical Auto. All the mythicals are redemptions. Dragon. There you go, Brian. Yeah, that one's Dragon. It's cool. And then we've got a Hofer here. Sorry, guys, this is us again. Goose Gossage on what looks like Cheetah. That's a 1 of 1, actually. Cheetah Mojo. That's, I don't know, that's surprising. That's a 1 of 1. I didn't expect that. These cards are cool, though. Oh, leopards, not cheetah. Seriously, Jimmy, trust me, that's not necessarily my goal here. I want y'all to hit. Okay, Eric. Brandon Barrera. Maybe Snake? That is 8 of 10. 8 of 10, Brandon Barrera. Richard. Cooper Jerpy. Elephant. 8 of 9. And this is a nice one. Dragon? Turtle? I don't know. Jordan Walker. 4 of 7. Sorry, I don't know who that is. Brian. Nice hit, man. Congrats. There you go. Alligator. Too many animal options. All right, guys, that's 3 boxes in. Last box. Good luck. All right. Richard. Jose Miranda. That's a Peacock Mojo. 6 of 7. Okay, this one's us. Zebra. Brady House. 4 of 5. And Brian, I'm about to make you a real happy man. Corbin Carroll. It looks like a deer. 2 of 6. Man, Corbin and Drew in this break, Brian. That, my friends, is the break. Congrats, man. That's a cool hit. All right, so here we go. Little recap. To 8, Kumar Rocker. To 8, Noah Schultz. 1 of 1, Drew Jones and Spencer Jones. That's between me and Brian. We'll go figure it out. Yeah, sorry, Jimmy. 2 of 2, Reginald Preciado on the Dragon. That thing's cool. We had a redemption Khalil Watson Mythical auto. 1 of 1, Goose Gossage. Brandon Barrera to 10. To 9, Cooper Jerpy. Yeah, Jimmy, I may do these in 1 box or 2 box versions. Keep price down a little bit. Jordan Walker to 7. Jose Miranda to 7. Brady House to 5. And ending it was Corbin Carroll to 6. It's pretty good, y'all. Some nice hits. Not a lot of different people hit, and I'm sorry about that, but y'all know how it goes. Luck of the draw. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to finish up the baseballs, the auto baseballs. We'll get those ripped today, and then that'll do it for us for today, and then I need to be done before the Astros game starts at 3:30 my time. Thanks, guys. See you in a bit.